Hi friends, thanks for joining me today for my Friday tip video. It's Maria Robinson with Stamping Simply with Maria. Thank you so much for joining me today. And today's tip is about scissors. So scissors, we all need them, and I keep several in my craft room. So this particular one I happen to like, and I will always go to it because it's very comfortable for my hands to cut this. I know a lot of people don't like those. However, I won't use these to cut my ribbon because they're dull, and I tend to just use these more so if I'm doing some sticky projects, say that I'm trimming something that already has tape or glue or something like that on it. I'll get these. But if I'm cutting ribbon, I will either get my Stampin' Up snips, and I keep a ribbon on them just so I know that these are dedicated for my ribbon cutting, and I won't use them for paper. So I also keep a cutter bee, which are pretty much exactly the same like Stampin' Up. They're very sharp. They open up all the way, just like the Stampin' Up ones do. They open up all the way. So I have those for my ribbon. Then I also keep, again, these I keep in my studio where I shoot my videos because they're dull, so I will use these for just trimming around something that might have glue or tape or like a dimensional on it. Now when you get your snips, they come with a sheath on it, and you want to try to keep it on there. I don't always do, but these in my actual craft room, I do keep the sheath on it. The ones that are in my shooting studio, because I'm constantly grabbing them back and forth, I don't keep a sheath on them. So let me show you something. So let me show you with these scissors, the ones that I regularly use. Let's just get a piece of, here, let's do some linen thread here. And watch, it's going to work this time, right? So we're going to cut it. So that cut pretty good, right? Not too bad. However, I find that with like the more delicate ribbons, it might be a little hard to cut. See how it's getting stuck? So you definitely want to get a nice sharp pair of scissors, like your snips. Now watch how these go through. It goes right through like butter. Very easily, right? Let's try this one. This is a, what is this? This is, I believe this is retired. It's frayed ribbon. Again, I'm just going to use the dull scissors, and I'll show you. See, these are so dull, they don't even cut. It's awful. So I use these for sticky things, and then use my snips. I'll show you how nice and easily they cut. Like that. So you want to keep a few pair of scissors in your craft room, in your arsenal, for specific things, and use them for only those specific things. So like I said, these here I use just for paper and glue, because they're still good. They still cut. I mean, these might need to be tossed or sharpened. I'm not sure. And then I keep the others for my ribbon, and I tie a ribbon around it so I know that these are dedicated just for the ribbon. And then I've got these also, which are very good for cutting paper. For instance, I would probably use these if I need to cut something like this more detailed, because they're nice and sharp and they give you a nice little edge. So that is my tip for the day. Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everybody. That's right, because by the time I shoot my next video, it'll be after Christmas, right? So I hope Santa was good to you. If you need any supplies from Stampin' Up, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.